play a little game here. I have $2. Mr. Lencher is going to take $1.50 from me.
Hey, look here, guys.
But I only have $2. And by the way, he wants his money in quarters. So when I go to take one of my dollars and break it up, what should I use? If he wants quarters, I should use
$1.
well, but I'm not going to just tear this in half.
Quarters.
I'm going to want to convert my dollar into 4 quarters. So really, what he wants is going to determine what I should break my whole into. In this case, it's quarters.
And I'm parking my car. I'm at one of those meters where you only can put coins in. Does that make sense? And Mr. Adamson, I need to get money from him. So what am I going to need?
Quarters.
Quarters. Right.
Exactly.
So, think about it this way. Mr. Lencher wants 4 2/5. That means he wants his burgers in fifths. In fifths. The denominator is the label, or the denominator is the guide for what we're going to ungroup with, or regroup with. So we're going to ungroup that 7, and it becomes a 6. And how many parts are we going to get out of that whole hamburger?
Remember, think about this.
4.
Oh, so if we have 4/5, is that a whole burger?
Yeah, it is. No.
5/5, Madison, is correct here. 5/5. And the same number's got to be on the top and bottom to equal 1. How many times can 5 go into 5? 1. How many times can 5 go into 4?
9.
So that,
Goofy.
yeah, that's just goofy. So we know that is 1 there.
But once again, if you're wondering, okay, Mr. Adamson, Mr. Lencher, I know I can't do nothing minus 2/5, but what should I cut, or what should I put my fraction in? Remember, our goal with fractions is to speak the same language. And honestly, I'm a big fan of going straight to the right language. I don't want to write down like 3/3, because then now I have 3/3 up here. That's great. I have enough to take away, but I have to do a lot of extra work to get them to have that common denominator. You get to control that. You get to say, oh, I'm going to go fifths. It's saying fifths, I'm going to stay with fifths. And my numerator is always going to match my denominator. Whether it's 2/2, 3/3, 4/4, 5/5, so on and so forth. Now, can you do the work now? Yeah. Now it's not so bad at all.
This is easy now. This is child's play for you. Julie, sit down. Now, who can come up and show us what we? Melody, come on up here. Finish this problem for us.
So 5 minus 2 is 3. Yeah, 3. And then you add 5 on the bottom. So 6 minus 4 is 2.
Excellent. Perfect. Bing bang.
Goes over.
Done. All right. All right. Let's try and get another one in here. This one I'm going to change up on you guys a little bit, just a little bit. It's going to look a little different.
Okay.
Okay. We have. Oh wait, that was meant to be. Wait. Yeah.
You can start there.
Yeah, we'll start there. No, that was exactly what I wanted. But let's.
Great job to those people who are getting their work down right away. At least they're getting a start.
Oh, I know this one.
Do me a favor, don't be like Doc Hudson, right? When Mr. Lencher and I say go, We want you to get off the starting line right away. Don't sit and wait.
And what's Mr. Adamson's word he always says? Urgency. Look here, can you do it?
There's a 2.
You gotta look, they speak the same language on the bottom, which I like.
Yeah, then 7 becomes a 6.
Oh, you did it. Yes, yes, Jessica, there it is. Now that, see, you realize your answer probably didn't make sense then, did it? So what's 2 plus 7?
It's not making sense.
So it's 2. We'll give you 7 more.
Then, okay, 9 minus what? What's, oh, what is that number? 5, right? What's 9 minus 5? Oh, 9 minus 5 is what, Jessica? Yes. Good. Okay, who's struggling here? Okay.
I did that.
Okay, so you've got the 6, but there's a 2 here, right? So how much are we cutting our pieces into? 7. But you can't put what you have here already. 2. So you got to go 2 plus 7. What's 2 plus 7? 9. Now you can do 7 minus 5 equals what? You guys understand what we're doing here? And so this needs to be what? This takes away, and this would be off, because we can't do 2 minus 5, right? So how many pieces are we cutting the 7 into?
Plus 6 plus what's that?
At the bottom. 7.
9.
And we're carrying 7, but you have to add this in, this 2. So this 7 plus 2 equals what? What? Well, no, we have to add these 2 in first. We're doing minus 1. We're not ready to subtract yet. So what's 7 plus 2?
No, it's 21.
9. Now we can rough that out. Now we can do 9 minus 5, right? Both of these speak the same language, the 7, right? Now you can do the 9 minus 5. Good. All right, let's talk about this. Kieran, you want to come up and show us? Come up and show us. Yeah, you're ready. Come on, big shooter. Big shooter, 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 shooter. All right, guys. Hey, listen up here. Listen up here. What can't you do, Kieran? Hey, guys, you guys show Kieran the respect that he deserves. Okay, what can't you do? Yes, he said you can't take away 5 from 2. Do you guys agree with that?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, where did you get the 9 from? You're right, but I just want you to know, I want to hear it. Oh yes, because he cut the pizza into how many pieces? 7 though, but you can't forget about the 2 that you already have, right? Do you guys understand what he did there? He's 100% right, but it wasn't just 7 like our other one. Our other one would have been 7 over 7, right? But we didn't have that 2 already. Does that make sense? We didn't have that 2. So Kieran said that 2, we have to add a 7 to that. Continue, Kieran, I'm sorry.
And then 7 stays the same.
Okay, because it's home base, and it speaks the same language.
9 take away 5, 4,
Okay.
and then 6.
Who agrees with that answer? Good, because that is the correct answer. Good work, buddy. All right, so what he did here, this 2 got turned to a 9. So then he took 9 minus 5. He didn't have to worry. Hey, he didn't have to worry about the 7th. That's done. That speaks the same language, right? All right, good job. All right, now we're gonna step it up a little bit. Now it's game on. Where did my eraser go? Get the eraser. All right, now we're stepping up the ball game. Everyone clear their boards.
I did.
Oh, what do we do here? Dun dun dun. Guys, get it on your boards. We don't need any talking. We're stepping up the ball game here, guys. What do we do? What do we do?
Oh.
All right, keep going, guys.
I'll be with the rest.
How do you get up? Fine.
I agree with the 5, but you already had 2, remember? Oh, actually, hold on to your horsies. Can these 2 speak the same language yet? Both speaking
Coming around to look.
They'll speak the language is 7.
Whoa. Butt bump.
Okay, Avery. So, we start by looking at fractions. Can they talk the same language? No, so make them talk the same language. Remember, that's where we set up our... Mr. Lencher, I hope these markers aren't like hazardous to their health, because I think some of them are eating.
I have 2 of them right here.
Oh.
Looking for 'em. Here, need one?
So remember, Avery, the first thing you do is go, okay, use 2 5ths minus 2 7ths. So I've got some work to do.
Go, girl.
So, you need to set up your fractions like I just did.
You have it all the way right. Yes, you have that all the way right, but did you have to regroup here? You didn't have to regroup, guys. You didn't have to take away from that 6.
What?
Yeah, you didn't have to take away from that 6.
That's 3.
There.
So Alexa might want to bring some glasses back here. The light bulb just turned on. She got it.
Yes.
Ah,
Kendra?
awesome job.
Yes, Kendra, come up here and show us how we do this. You got a marker, Kendra? How did you do, Dieter? Oh, man. Oh, hey. Impressive. Impressive. I tell you, Mr. Adamson, he never ceases to amaze me.
Oh, here?
Yeah.
He's on the ball. Okay.
All right, guys, look what Kendra's doing here. Exactly, Kendra. Now, Kendra, I have a question here. Did we have to regroup? No. So we didn't have to regroup because once you figured these out, these were your new fractions. 14 over 35 minus 10 over 35. And these speak the same language. We got those speaking the same. Can we take 14 minus 10? Yeah, so that's how she did that. All right, now we're going even a step farther here. Excellent job, Kendra. Gold star for the day. All right, now we're going a step farther. Yeah, you're Oh man, this is, hey, it's game on here. It's game on here. Now it's just one notch fine, okay? Alright, we're going a step further. No, you just close the door, please. Oh, then just leave it cracked. Really? Are we doing this? Sure we are. Okay, you girls are so close. Okay, Abby and, okay, so we first have to figure out, okay, so we have 1/5 minus 3/5. How do we, or 4? We have to figure out a common denominator, right? So we're left at 4. 20. No, we do. 4. That's how 1. But here, we gotta first figure out, can we do, yes, yes. Now, can we take 15 out of that 4? So that's what I'm trying to get. So that turns to a 4. And how many pieces do we cut this into? What's our new common denominator? What's our new common denominator? 20, right? So we add 20 over here. So this would be 24. Does that make sense? What I did there? Okay, so what we did, we typically find out, okay, 5 times 4 is 20. That's our new common denominator, right? So that's our new one. But we would have, these would be our two fractions, 4 and 15. Those would be our two fractions. Do you guys agree? But I just wrote them separately. Okay. Do you guys see how I wrote them separately? Yeah, these two fractions, 1/5 would turn into 4 20s. That's the same thing as 24 over 20. We can write it like that. 4 over 20. We know that's 20 now, right? These numbers have changed. But we can't do 15 minus 4, can we?
Oh, I did.
Yes! Alright, who else needs help? Okay, so this one. So let's work here. So we have, we have 1/5. 1/5 minus 3/4. So we first have to find the common denominator for our two fractions. Let's divide by 4. 20. And this is 20. What's 4 times 1? Now what's 3 times 5? 15. Now can we take 15 out of 4? Can you subtract 15 from 4? Can you? You can take 15 and if I have 4 chicken nuggets, can you take 15 chicken nuggets from me? No. So I would have to take from this whole one. So this 5 turns to what? 4. Now what's our common denominator? What are we carrying over here? 20. So 20 plus whatever we have left there, right? So what are 24? Now we can do that. Does that make sense? Close. All right, guys. I'm going to walk through this with you guys. Okay, I'm going to walk through this. Eyes up here. Eyes up here. Adonis, Kieran, eyes up here. Guys, this one's hard. This is a step in, this is a whole different ball game. So, what I first want to do is 1/5 and 3/4. Do they speak the same language? No. No. So that's my first thing. I go 1/5 minus 3/4. Well, let's try and figure out what's 5 times 4. We do our typical thing. 20. And then 20. So I'm going to make two separate fractions here. So we know my common denominators are 20. What's 1 times 4? 4. Now can I do 3 times 15? Now can I take 15? If I have 4 chicken nuggets, can Angel take 15 away from me? If I have 4 chicken nuggets, no. It's not possible. If the lunch ladies have 4 chicken nuggets left and you're like, I want 15, it's not possible.
You get extra lot.
But there's not. That's not possible though.
Come on, give me.
So what? Do you guys see what I did here, guys? So I just changed these. So this equals 4, and this is 15, and I just put our new common denominator here. So I just made 2 separate. Hey, shh. I just made 2 new fractions here. Now I would have to go to the whole number. I would have to go to the big chicken, right? So how many pieces do I cut that chicken into now? Guys, I need Angel, turn around. Feet in front of you. What do we do here? How many pieces do I cut that whole chicken into now? Chase.
4, 5.
What's our new denominator? 20, Tyriana. Excellent. So I'm carrying over here 20. Now, I already have 4 left. Do I just take the 4 out and put the 20 in there? Hey, guys. Do I just take away the 4 and put the 20 in there now, or what do I do with the numbers? Tyriana, what do I do?
On the top.
Oh, but if I have 4 already, I have to add them. I have to add them together. So what's 20 plus 4?
Oh, 24.
24. Now can I do 24 minus 15?
Yeah.
What would 24 minus 15 be? Come on, guys, I need you guys to pay attention because we're going to practice this again. We're practicing this again. What's 24 minus 15? Chase?
24 minus 15. 10.
No.
11.
Kieran?
11.
24 minus 15 is not 11. Adonis?
9.
9. 9 over, what's our common denominator?
20.
20. Now what's our whole numbers now? This turned 2 up.
4.
4 minus 2 equals
2.
2. Does that make sense how we got there? This is a whole different ballgame. We got to do a lot of work to figure this out. This is not an easy thing. But do you see how I made 2 separate fractions here, and I was able to see easily 4, I cannot take 15 out of 4. Okay, it's the bigger numbers always got to be on the top or on the far left side. So let's try another one. Everyone clear their boards? Everyone clear their boards?
So should we work on one together?
Okay, get your boards erased. What?
Alright, so good. So I want you, yeah, so set it up like that here. Come on, Julie, let's walk through this. Good. You're doing it.
Thank you.
What?
Thank you.
Careful though, young lady. No, 12 minus 10 or is it 10 minus 12?
Yeah.
It is. So, watch what we're gonna do. So you told me. So we have, you told me that the new denominator is 15, right?
Minus
3 is this one would be 4.
Yeah.
So Julie, what we have to do is denominators is also, so we have 2/3, which is minus, or what do we do here, Juliet? What do I do? Times 3, right? Yeah. Now, we still keep our whole number. But the question is do we have enough? No, already did. Take away a whole, making it 6. Now what's our new numerator? We started with 10. One more piece, so we're going Make sense so far? No. So can we go back here? Does this make sense? Good, yeah, it does, because you got it. So we're going to take one more holes and we're going to cut it in. And how many pieces do you cut it into? Oh my God. 6.
Okay. You have 15.
I just
And then
jumped
you
from
have
the
that's 10. Can we take that? Can we subtract 12 from 10?
I was like,
So our denominator tells us how many. So that one hole
this is how we
is
jump.
going to give us
And then I
15.
jumped in.
15, right? That hole right there gives us this. We already have 10. We have 60. I thought we had 15. We had 15 plus
We
10
had
more.
2/3 here. I think we wrote it wrong. I just noticed that. That's 2. Yeah, you can't, I get what you're saying. So this is 10, right? You gotta first figure that out. 10. This is 12. So you can't take that, can you? So now you cross it out, you're carrying over 15. You were right.
15.
You're on fire.
Fire.
You're smarter than me. Why are you that? Mr. Adamson, I quit. Madison's in. She's tapping in.
Even if you're one good arm.
Yeah, even with one good arm, and I told her that. She's like, I can't be in any club. I said, but you can still dominate math. Alright. So,
What's our denominator? What's our bottom number?
can you do 10 minus 12? No.
And how many holes do we have?
if I had 10 chicken nuggets, do you want to take 12?
I haven't been here as a treat.
No. No, you can't.
It's hard. No, it's hard.
So you have to take from the 7. The 7 becomes operations. Now, how many pieces are we cutting it into? What's our new common denominator, Julius? What's our new common denominator? 3 times 5 equals 15. What's our new common denominator? No, 15. So we carry 15 over here, but we already have 10 here. So 10 plus 15 equals what? 25. Now can we take that away now? 25 minus 12? Can we do that? What is it? Write your answers here.
My hand up.
All right, so 5th graders, I think it's time we get out our math notebooks and we write down our